What is flipped classroom? Flipped classroom. A flipped classroom is an instructional strategy and a type of blended learning that reverses the traditional learning environment by delivering instructional content, often online, outside of the classroom. Concept exploration, video audio recordings, content-rich websites, simulations, readings, etc. Demonstration, application, personalized projects, problem-based learning, experiments, presentations, role plays, etc. Meaning making, reflective podcasts, students, quizzes, blogging, online discussions. Flipped classroom. A form of blended learning, this is the practice of students watching lecture material, usually in video form at home, then practicing their learnings in an interactive environment in the classroom. Households without computers or an internet connections cannot participate in this practice. Flipped classroom examples. The standard inverted classroom, the discussion-oriented flipped classroom, the demonstration-focused flipped classroom, the Fox flipped classroom, the group-based flipped classroom, the virtual flipped classroom, flipping the teacher. For example, Chloe watched several calculus videos at home, then came to class and worked on calculus questions. When she got stuck, she asked her teacher for help. Pros and cons of a flipped classroom. Pros: students have more control. It promotes student-centered learning and collaborations. Lessons and content are more accessible, provided there is a tech access. Number 4. Access, easier for parents to see what's going on. Number 5. It can be more efficient. Cons. Number 1. It can create or exacerbate a digital divide. It relies on preparation and trust. There is significant work on the front end, not naturally a test prep form of learning. Time in front of screens instead of people and places is increased. Can you memorize what is flipped classroom? Flipped classroom. A flipped classroom is an instructional strategy and a type of blended learning that reverses the traditional learning environment by delivering instructional content, often online, outside of the classroom. For inspiration, education is the movement from darkness to light. Alan Bloom.